out with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's add another beat here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Added some ghost notes now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, left, left, right, left, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Nice. Once you've got the hang of that, we're going to start moving these ghost notes that are happening with the left hand onto some bass notes. So let's start with note 1. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's try moving that hand. Back down. And up. Nice. Now let's introduce a simple bass pattern. So we'll have one round here on note 1, one round on note 2, and one round on note 3. Let's try it. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and go. Now we're going to change around that first part of the phrase. So here where we've got two ghost notes in a row in the beginning, instead of staying on the bass notes, we're going to shift from the bass note straight over to note 4 every single time, and we will never change that melody note, we'll just keep it simple. So it looks something like this. Let's try that at full speed. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's try that whole pattern. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Once you're comfortable with that, see if you can experiment with moving that single melody note around the instrument to start to create some actual nice, interesting melodies. See if you can swap the hands around, so leading with the left hand on the groove, the right hand exploring the melody and the bass. Slow it down, speed it up, experiment, put some chords in, whatever feels good. And don't forget to check out the rest of the Handpan Dojo World Rhythm Library. Alright, enjoy, see you next time.